Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have Christmas in July color combos, and for this we're using a red, a white, a green, and some gold. We're going to begin with a Joyous Season stamp set, Baby Boy Plaid background stamp set, Cherry Cobbler ink Stampin' Up, Altenew Moss ink, and our Misty. I have pre-cut and pre-scored my card base into a square shape. Using the moss ink, I am going to ink up my stamp and try not to miss a spot. I'm going to place this onto my card base that I have put on the Misty directly with some washi tape. And that's okay that it's not perfect because we're actually going to place a piece of paper on it and mat it over, so it does not have to be exactly perfect. We are going to turn the card and use our next color. In this case is Cherry Cobbler from Stampin' Up. Again, ink up the stamp and ink over on our card base again. By turning the cardstock, it made it look really neat, and you can see the different colors on the plaid. It's an easy way to create some really fun backgrounds for all your Christmas cards. Next, we're going to be using the sentiment from Joyous Season. We're going to stamp this on another piece of white cardstock. Once we're done, we're going to mat the cardstock that had been stamped with the Merry and Bright, put adhesive on the back, and mat this over some Cherry Cobbler coordinating cardstock on top of that. Now we're going to put our matted sentiment cardstock onto our background. And as a finishing touch, I am going to add gold splatters from some gold splatter spray. And that does it. Thank you so much for joining me on my July Christmas in July color combos for Crystal. Please leave a sweet comment below and a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this Christmas tutorial. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.